Sean Polston with TucsonShortSale.com. Wanted to talk to you about short sales and VA loans, and actually VA loan being a government-backed loan. Of course, the government hardly ever calls anything what everybody else does. They come up with their own name for it, and it's actually called a VA compromise sale. The VA compromise sales have been around for eons. I have no idea when it actually started, but probably shortly after VA loans, I'd imagine. This is the first time they ran into it. What a compromise sale is for you, if you're in a situation, you've got a VA loan on a property, and a compromise sale allows you the ability to sell the property for less than what's owed, avoid having the property foreclosed. They also have a relocation incentive attached to it. It's not an enormous amount of money. It's $1,500 that they'll offer you as part of the short sale. But here's the biggest kicker. If you complete a VA compromise sale, you have the ability to reestablish your VA eligibility and get another VA loan later on in life. Now, there are some hiccups and things that you need to do to make that happen, but you have that as an option. My humble understanding is after a foreclosure, it is nearly a foreclosure of a VA loan. It is nearly impossible for you to ever get another VA loan. So what I want to impart to you is if you have a VA loan, you're running into problems with the mortgage, one of the worst things you can do is just let it go to foreclosure or do nothing. The best option for you in most cases, if you're not going to be able to keep up with the payments, not going to be able to keep the property, is to pick up the phone, give us a call. We're incredibly familiar with the VA process and how to get the compromise sales done. Fill out our short sale request form. We'll be in touch soon.